Great student. Student that everybody wants.
Went to the University of Northwestern Ohio and took the written test they have there for HVAC. Somehow got first in the nation.
Last year as a junior he won our state contest in the heating and air field for our SkillsUSA. Jack finished second in the nation in the heating and air.
No clue what HVAC was before I started taking his class. I went and toured his class my sophomore year, and then he really wanted me in the class, so I started taking it.
In November he went up to UNOH and took a written test for a $20,000 scholarship and actually won that one too. So altogether Jack got $40,000 from the University of Northwestern Ohio.
Small is definitely, he teaches a lot more hands-on and sometimes lets you figure out your own mistakes, and I guess that's a better way of learning, puts it in your head more. That feels pretty good to have that scholarship money now, have college paid for in full.